Alright, so in this lesson we're going to calculate unknown lengths involving a tangent, AB, and a secant, A to D, where it touches twice. Remember, a tangent touches once, secant touches twice. So, it's pretty simple. We have length AB, and it has something to do with AC and AD. So AC, which is this outside segment, times this entire length, which is AD, is equivalent to AB squared. So AC times AD is equivalent to AB times AB, or AB squared. So let's try it. So we know that EF times DF is equivalent to GF squared. So EF, which is 12, times the whole length, which is x plus 9 plus the 12, should be equivalent to 18 squared. So let's simplify this. 12 times x plus 21 should give me 18 squared. Okay, so let's rewrite this using the distributive property. So 12 times x is 12x. 12 times 21 is 252. And 18 times 18, or 18 squared, is 324. Linear should be easy. Let's subtract. So minus 252 will give me 72. 12x. All we have to do is divide here, which that's pretty easy. That's just 6, I believe. Yeah, 6. X equals 6. So it just wants x, so I just found x. Alright, so once again, let's try. So 4 times 12 should be the same as x times x. So, not 4 times 12, 4 times the whole length. So 4 times 4 plus 12 should give you x squared. I'm going to flip it. X squared equals 4 times 16. X squared equals 4 times 16 is 64. When it's simple like this, remember you can just take the square root. X equals positive and negative 8, because positive 8 times positive 8 is 64. Negative 8 times negative 8 is also positive 64. In this case, since it's a length, we're going to say it's positive 8. Alright, one more. Whew, this one looks like it's going to be interesting. So this 12 GF times 12 plus 15, this whole length, GE, should give you the same thing as x plus 8 times x plus 8. So 12 times 12 plus 15, remember, the whole length, should give you x plus 8 to the second power. Remember, it's not just x to the second power, not just 8 to the second power, it's the whole length, x plus 8 to the second power. So this is 12 times 27 equals, I'm going to write this out to make it easier for me. And 12 times 27 is 324. Oh, look at that. equals x times x, x squared, x times positive 8 or plus 8 is 8x. 8 times x is... Now, there's an easier way to do this if you remember how to complete the square, but those of you that don't, I'm showing you all the work. So, I'm going to switch these over here. X squared, I'm going to switch this here and this here. Plus 16x plus 64, remember I combined those, equals 324. Remember, to solve this, I need to make this equal to 0. And 64 minus 324 gives us negative 260. Oops. Now this is the part where I guess I'll carry it all the way up here, where it gets interesting and requires a little bit different work. You know, it's a quadratic. So we have to figure out what are factors of negative 260 that create 16. For us, it shouldn't be that bad, because when you see the zeros, you automatically start thinking 10. 10 times what? Well, 260 divided by 10 is 26. We know that we can get 16 from here, but we would have to subtract the 10. 26 minus 10 is 16. Positive times a negative is a negative 260. So x minus 10 times x plus 26 equals 0. Oh, so this ended up being way easier than I anticipated part of the way through here. So we add 10, x equals 10 is one of our solutions. Minus 26, minus 26, x equals negative 26. Remember that in here our lengths are going to be positive. If we put a negative 26, you'll get a negative number here. So this is the one that should work. The x equals 10. Alright, thank you very much.